Campbell Newman has expanded his vocabulary, courtesy of the Deputy Premier, as the argument continues about same-sex civil unions. Mr Newman has told religious leaders he might not be able to undo the new laws after next month's election.
The LNP leader was quizzed by church groups at a forum organised by the Australian Christian Lobby. He spoke about adoption laws, alcohol-related violence, religious education in schools, and whether the LNP would repeal the civil partnerships law.
If we're elected, we'll certainly look at that. It may not be possible, though, if people have been. We don't want to put people into a legal limbo. That's just a very straight position on the whole thing.
Last night he was speaking out of both sides of his mouth at the Christian Lobby Forum, where he was discombobulating on the matter of whether or not he will in fact repeal the civil partnerships legislation.
Mr Newman says he's been very consistent. And does he know what discombobulating means?
Only because I asked someone to check the dictionary just a few minutes ago.
For the record, discombobulating means confusing. But Mr Newman says there's no confusion about his involvement in a Brisbane City Council land deal, which has been referred to the Crime and Misconduct Commission. The issue is whether the council paid a property developer $15 million for flood-affected land without an updated evaluation.
The fact is that this extraordinary deal now before the CMC started with a knock on Campbell Newman's door when he was Lord Mayor.
Mr Newman says the company asked him for a meeting last year, but another councillor attended because he was moving on to state politics. He's happy for the CMC to check.
I assume they're going to do that. Not a problem. Because I had no involvement whatsoever.
The current Lord Mayor Graham Quirk says there's no evidence of wrongdoing, but an independent investigation will clear the air. Chris O'Brien, ABC News.